Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to take the battery out of this Bissell robot vacuum cleaner. This is a Bissell robot mop, and the model number is found underneath the pad, and it's
the mop pad has been removed.
Thank you. And it's a 35711 model. So if this is the same model that you have, then you can follow along. Sometimes the models are close enough to where the instructions are the same. So the first thing we're going to do before we replace the battery is we are going to turn the power off of the robot. Yours may already be completely dead, which is why you're going to be replacing the battery. All right, now I do have a link in the description, so I did find a battery that works for this. I wasn't able to easily find a battery for this model by Bissell, but I did find a battery that works, so I will have a link in the description if you want to order one of those batteries. What you're going to do is we are going to just very gently pry up. I have a little plastic pry tool, and we're just going to very gently pry up this cover here all the way around, and then we're just going to rotate this around, and right here we have our location for the battery. So we're just going to take a Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove this battery cover, and it kind of pops up here, and then we can lift up on the tabs and get the battery out, and then just squeeze the connectors. Make sure you release the clip, disconnect it, and then we are going to reconnect the battery here like so, and then we're going to tuck it back in place just like that and put our cover on. Everything else is going to be in reverse. So this is a short and sweet video. I figured I would do this because it wasn't completely obvious how to locate the battery. So we're going to spin this back around here and then line it up with your buttons here and just press down firmly, and you're all set, and then you can power it back on.
Startup sequence has completed.
All right, so I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you liked it, please hit the like button or comment. Let me know what you thought. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.